Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and today's video is going to be like a vlog because I'm doing a wear test for the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Colors. I have 3 shades from the range and all the lip swatches will be up on my Instagram profile. If you are not following me there, this is my Instagram handle. Please do give me a follow. And coming back to the wear test, I am wearing the shade number 18, which is called Brown Espresso. It's a pretty deep brown shade, as you can see, and right now it's 5:40 p.m. I will be wearing this as long as possible to see how it fares out throughout the day. I deliberately picked a deeper shade because it's easier to judge and test the formula when it's a deeper shade, because you can also figure out how long the color stays, how it fades away, how exactly the formula basically works, and that's why I've deliberately put on this deeper shade. So yeah, right now it's 5:40. Let's see how this one works out. Alright, so the first thing first, let's see if the lipstick transfers once it's all set and everything. So I'm just going to do a kiss test, and so there is some transfer, as you can see. Thankfully, there's no patchiness on the lips, which is good, and this is a very mild transfer. That's okay, I don't really mind it, but I'm going to go and make myself a cup of tea and then we'll see how much it transfers or doesn't transfer. And before we move ahead, please ignore the kids playing downstairs. I cannot really do anything about the noise, so kindly ignore that. So yeah, chai banate hain. Alright, first of all, please excuse my sweaty face. I was inside the kitchen cooking and the weather is super humid, and God help me. But anyway, coming back to the topic, you did notice it getting transferred to the cup, but this is how it's holding up on the lips. It obviously did fade away a bit from the inside of the lips, but I still feel it's holding up pretty good. It's not patchy, at least. A lot of liquid lipsticks does that. They get patchy and fade away from here and there, and that looks really bad, but it's still holding up pretty good, so I am happy. Also, it didn't make my lips Sahara dry. Like, they're pretty good, they're not dying, they're happy, so I don't have any issue. And so far I think it's going really good. It's holding up really well. Of course, I do feel that it has when you laugh or you smile, the inside will show, and that's a little bummer. But when I consider the price point, I don't think I can really complain. But still, I think we should wait for the next part for a couple of more hours before we give the review. So yeah, I'll be finishing preparing the dinner and then I'll have it. We are going to have pasta and garlic bread today, and I'm going to have a lot of it. So we'll see how well it holds up with that, and then I'll check in again, and then we'll decide whether it's worth your investment or not. Alrighty, so right now it's 11:30 p.m. and I'm done with my dinner. I'm just about to crash because I'm super tired and I have kind of a headache as well. And this situation, the lipstick has kind of gone off from this side more than this, which is, I don't know, weird. I had lots of pasta, I had a lot of garlic bread with a lot of garlic butter actually, so I'm guessing the butter did this. Oily food tends to scrape away your lipstick. So yeah, this side it has happened a lot more than this, but it's still not looking hideous. Okay, so I will be giving you my detailed full review in the next section, and I'll shoot that part tomorrow because I'm like super tired right now, but I had to do this check-in and like finish it off. I cannot wait to like wash my face and just jump into my bed. So yeah, wait for the final review, and that will be like with the help of editing in just a couple of seconds. Now comes the most awaited part of the video, wherein I share with you my take and my review on the Lakme liquid lipsticks. These liquid lipsticks retail for rupees 295 each, and they have 30 different shades under this range. So they have browns, pinks, reds, nudes. They literally have a shade for every skin color, and these colors I personally feel will flatter Indian skin tone brilliantly. Now talking about pigmentation, I feel that these colors are very nicely pigmented. You will get an opaque look in just 2 swipes, and I feel that's pretty good for the price it is coming for. And that's not just for the darker shades, it's also true for the lighter shades in the range, like the one that I'm wearing right now. I got this opacity in just 2 swipes, and I feel that's a great formula. Now generally liquid lipsticks tend to dry out your lips a lot, but this formula doesn't do that. It won't dry out your lips to the level where you feel that they are going to die, and I think that's a huge plus from my side, because I am honestly okay with reapplying the lipstick, but I'm not okay with my lips to like literally give up on me. So yeah, from that point of view, I think that the formula is just perfectly balanced. It does give you that matte and long-lasting look, but it doesn't dry out your lips as well. Now talking about the longevity and the staying power of these liquid lipsticks, I feel that they did a decent job. Now as you've already seen in the wear test, they lasted on me for a good 6 to 7 hours, and for the price it's coming and the formula it's offering, I feel that's a pretty good staying power, and I am okay with it. In fact, I actually like it. Now considering all these points, the longevity, pigment, formula, the shade range they're offering, also the price at which they're offering, I feel that this product is a steal. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you want me to review something specifically, then do let me know in the comments below, and I would love to do that. I will see you very soon with another video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.